Now I'm doing a little intro for my DERP 3550 project, which is obviously a large Delta style 3D printer. It was inspired by the TiVo Little Monster and the Anycubic Predator, which are larger, cheap Delta printers that were highly upgradable, but both of those are discontinued, so that's what led me down this path. There's a link to a project page for this in the description, which has all kinds of details and everything. The 3550 denotes the 350 millimeter diameter by 500 millimeter high build volume. So it's pretty much fully functional. It's just fine tuning left to do, and I need to work out a filament runout sensor. Other than that, everything is working. And I've had one successful crappy print come off of this thing, so lots of dialing in remaining. So just a quick demo. Got sensorless homing working, and just a quick workout slash show off with high accelerations and high speeds. Love it. That doesn't get old watching that thing work. So this design is a flying or floating extruder type design. Got a Bondtech LGX right there, and that string coming off the top goes to a guided counterweight on the back. And that decouples the mass of the extruder from the lightweight Delta effector. So you can get really high accelerations and speeds. So I will post some more updates when I get this thing dialed in and making nice prints, and then I'll probably have some more to talk about. But for now, this was just a quick intro to the project. Thanks.